The sun has been our planet's most powerful source of energy for billions of years, yet only recently have we begun to harness its full potential. Every hour, enough sunlight hits Earth to power the entire world for a whole year. Yet fossil fuels still dominate our energy supply. But what if that changed? What if solar power became the foundation of our energy system? From ancient civilizations to futuristic solar cities, this is the full journey of solar energy from A to Z. The history of solar energy. For thousands of years, humans have recognized the power of the sun. Ancient Greeks and Romans used large windows and reflective surfaces to capture sunlight and heat their homes. The Chinese and Egyptians designed structures that maximized solar warmth during winter. One of the most fascinating legends of early solar energy use comes from ancient Greece. The famous scientist Archimedes is said to have used large mirrors to focus sunlight and set enemy ships on fire during the siege of Syracuse in 212 BC. Whether this actually happened or not, it shows that early civilizations understood the sun's immense power. The Olympic flame tradition also has solar energy roots. Even today, it is ignited using a parabolic mirror that focuses sunlight, continuing a method first used in ancient Greece. Meanwhile, the Romans designed homes with large south-facing windows to allow sunlight to naturally heat indoor spaces. This ancient passive solar design is still used today in modern architecture to reduce energy consumption. Fast forward centuries later, and the scientific revolution brought a deeper understanding of solar energy. In 1839, the photovoltaic effect was discovered, the principle that sunlight can be converted into electricity. Early solar cells were created in the 1880s, but they were highly inefficient. It wasn't until the space race in the 1950s that solar power became a serious technology, as NASA used it to power satellites in orbit. Since then, advances in efficiency and affordability have led to solar panels being installed everywhere, from rooftops to massive solar farms in deserts. Solar energy in everyday life. Solar energy isn't just about futuristic technology. It's a part of our daily lives in ways we don't always notice. Plants, for example, are nature's original solar panels. Photosynthesis allows them to convert sunlight into chemical energy, which we consume as food. Every meal we eat is essentially stored solar energy. Homes can also be designed to capture and store heat from the sun using large windows, skylights, and materials like brick and concrete that absorb warmth during the day and release it at night. This reduces the need for artificial heating, lowering energy costs. Many people use solar water heaters, which collect and store sunlight to provide hot water for showers, laundry, and dishwashing. These systems are especially popular in sunny regions and significantly cut down electricity use. How solar energy is converted into electricity. There are two main technologies that convert sunlight into usable power. 1. Solar thermal energy. Solar thermal systems use mirrors or lenses to concentrate sunlight and generate heat. This heat produces steam, which drives a turbine to create electricity. Concentrated solar power, CSP plants, like the Ivanpah Solar Facility in California, use thousands of mirrors to focus sunlight onto a central tower, producing extreme temperatures capable of melting salt. This stored heat allows power to be generated even at night. 2. Photovoltaic, PV, solar panels. Photovoltaic, PV cells, commonly known as solar panels, are the most widely used method of capturing solar energy. These cells are made from semiconductor materials like silicon, which absorb sunlight and release electrons, generating an electric current. The efficiency of solar panels has improved dramatically. Early solar panels had efficiencies of around 6%, but modern versions reach 20 to 22%, with experimental models surpassing 40%. Scientists are now exploring perovskite solar cells and tandem solar cells to make solar power even more efficient. The global solar energy market. Solar energy is no longer a niche technology. It's a booming global industry that is shaping the future of energy. Current trends. China leads the world in solar energy, producing over 35% of global solar power and investing heavily in both PV and CSP technologies. The United States and India are rapidly expanding solar farms and have ambitious renewable energy targets. Germany and Japan have embraced rooftop solar, encouraging homeowners and businesses to install panels and feed excess energy back into the grid. Future growth. The global solar energy market is expected to grow at a 7 to 10% annual rate from 2023 to 2030, driven by falling solar panel costs, government incentives, and clean energy policies. The increasing demand for sustainable power sources. By 2030, solar energy could generate over 20% of global electricity, making it one of the leading sources of power worldwide. Innovative technologies. One of the most exciting new advancements is floating solar farms. These solar panels are placed on reservoirs, lakes, and even oceans, maximizing space while reducing water evaporation. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea are already leading the way in these installations. Challenges and innovations in solar energy. Despite its rapid growth, solar energy still faces several challenges. 1. Efficiency limitations. While solar panels have become more efficient, scientists are working on quantum dot solar cells and multi-junction cells to capture more sunlight and further increase efficiency. 2. Energy storage. Solar energy is only available when the sun is shining. This makes storage a critical issue. The solution? Advanced battery storage systems like Tesla's Powerwall and hydrogen fuel cells that store excess energy for nighttime or cloudy days. 3. Environmental impact. The production of solar panels requires raw materials and energy, and disposing of old panels can create waste. The industry is now investing in recycling programs and sustainable manufacturing to reduce its footprint. The future of solar energy. The future of solar energy is brighter than ever. With continued technological advancements, lower costs, and increased awareness of climate change, solar energy is set to become the backbone of the global renewable energy transition. Imagine a world where every home, car, and city is powered by the sun. Floating solar farms could power coastal cities, and solar-powered drones could help monitor environmental changes. With the right investments and policies, this future is within reach. Solar energy isn't just an alternative anymore. It's the future of energy. The sun has been powering Earth for billions of years. Now it's time for us to fully harness that power and build a cleaner, more sustainable future. What excites you most about solar energy? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into renewable energy and sustainability. The future is solar. Are you ready?